Okay, this is the Algebra 2 Summer School packet overview, and you'll find in each packet a set of notes that gives you examples of what to do for the assignment. So 10.2, you will be looking at the log-based b, and you're using the parent functions. You will probably want to open up desmos.com in order to put them in, and here in a minute I will show you a brief example of how to do that. And then you'll find multiple choice. If you put the exact problem into Desmos, you will be able to find the answer. For the domain and range, remember domain is what is the x options available, and range is what are the y options available. So when you put in the equation into Desmos, you should be looking left to right to see where does the domain start, where does it end, and up to down, bottom to top to see where the range starts and where it ends. The second assignment is using this formula, log base b over log of x. Again, you will type in the equations exactly how you see them on the paper into Desmos, and it will give you a final answer. And you'll just write in your answers there. The third assignment is using exponential functions. I have showed you how to do that in the examples. I've also shown you that you can do the same assignment in Desmos, but you will have to break your equation into two different parts. You'll need to break it into the left side of the equation equals y, and then the right side of the equation equals y, and then scroll in until you find where the two lines cross, and that x answer is your answer to the question. The next assignment, again, it shows you how to do it by hand or by Desmos. Again, you simply break the equation into two separate parts. The left side equals y, type in the right side, all of it equals y, and then your x is your answer. I've also included a reference chart for the last two assignments. It shows you all of the different parent functions as well as the transformations. And then you'll answer questions. Question like number 5, g of x is a translation for up of the absolute value. So if you look at your reference, something that's up should be whatever the f of x is, in this case absolute value of x, plus k. So which one is absolute value of x plus k? Plus, in this case, 4, because 4 is k. And you'll just use those same references for each of the last two assignments. So Desmos is desmos.com. And to put in a exponential, it's y equals, you can use the button at the bottom. A to the x will give you the exponential option. So say it's 2, push that button and then put in x, and it will put your equation. If you're doing a logarithmic, you need to push functions, then miscellaneous, and depending on if it's a log with no number underneath it or a log with a number at the bottom, depends on which one of these two, or you could be using the len. So log base 2 of 10 will give you an answer. And that's basically all you have to do. When you're trying to set it equal to y and saying, well, what if that one was equal to 20 and you want to make this an x? So where would you find where it crosses? So you would go to y as 20. So I would go up to 20 and then just follow along until you either find a crossing point or you don't. Sometimes it takes a while. So just so you're understanding, that's how that would work. And that would be the answer, or that would be the way you would do it. If we're wanting to make it a little easier, let's make this 2. So log base 2 of 2, and you'd find where they cross. So at 4, x is 4, y is 2. So the answer to log base 2 of 4 equals 2, or log base 2 of x equals 2, x is 4. So that would be how you do it.